Hello guys, and today, or in general, this whole week was so bad in the major indexes like the Dow Jones. So I have made videos on YouTube a lot of times, but a lot of people they don't even care about what's going on in the market, and they don't know what to do. And for you guys, I'm trying just to explain these things into a simple thing to understand what's going on into the market. Now, let's go to the Dow Jones and I give you a general picture, and then I should tell you what we should do in the future. Okay, so as I told you before even here in the 26th January, on the 27th, I made the solutions to the correction. Now, just the next week, on Monday, the stock market begin to go down. I don't know, it's just a feeling that I get about the market because of my experience. When I see that January was going so quick, it means there is a push. There are a lot of people afterward they were being selling. When these people are selling, the public, it means the people who don't know, they always go and buy. They buy stocks heavily, and then it goes down. Now, when it reach the support line, as I told you, when it reached the support line here, the market has been doing good, then it go down 2 days, like a small correction, 3 days good, 4 days bad, which is a correction. Now, 2 days good, one small correction, 2 days good, 3 days correction, 2 days good, 1 day correction, 1 day good, 1 day correction, but we have 3 days. Now, what do you think next week? What do you expect next week? Now, as I told you before, for me, I don't expect nothing. And I don't care where the market is going. So understand that if next week, if the market here in Dow Jones, it has been going down and crosses the resistance line, for sure, I will be shorting the whole market. Okay? And as I told you before, shorting the market using some kind of ETFs, this I have made videos before on it, and the training is there for you guys. Those who wants to get an idea, it's just an ETF. You buy it. If the stock market goes down, this ETF goes up, and you will have a lot of ETFs. But here is the problem: there are some ETFs that it is double the profit or triple the profit. So be careful. Be careful. I have seen people who are buying these ETFs and they don't even what does it tracks. ETF tracks something. Okay? And for shorting, there are some kind of ETFs that short the whole market. For me, I have done this shorting at the beginning of the correction, and I told you this before. But when I see the market has been going so good, I just take some profits and just get out, because I see that the market did not continue, and it doesn't matter. It didn't continue. Okay, I just exit. I don't want to stay until I lose money, because I was making money from the beginning. Now, what if the next week the Dow Jones or any other index goes and crosses the support line? Just right now, someone sent me an email and he said, oh, the market has crossed the support line. What? I just check. I show you again to be sure. Okay? Here is the support line. This is this. Now, you see here, it didn't cross. I don't know this guy from where he has seen this. Maybe he thinks that it is here. which is okay. But the support line is where the one that it is the worst after the correction. After the correction, this is the worst here. This is the price here. Now the price could be the low of this day, which is $23,360.29. This is the low and this is the support line. So until now, it didn't cross. Please don't predict. This is very, very important. Very, very important in stock market. In terms of price. Never predict. What if on Monday you short, you just short randomly like this without a signal, and there is a very, very big green candlestick, which is the reverse? What will happen to you? You will lose a lot of money. Okay? So try not to anticipate, try not to predict, and just buy and you say, oh, the market can continue. No, you say the market will continue go down. As I teach you, I don't use prediction. I should see a signal. That's why when I teach you how to go long with the two criteria, I always show you there is a signal. I don't buy stocks because I like a stock or because I predict that there is something in the market. Okay? So, for those who want to see, excuse me. So for those who, from you guys, who want to see, you can go down and you can see those are my training by videos. I put a cover just to check how the title. So you can go down and you can see how to short the whole market. This training that I'm speaking about, okay, how to short the whole market. This is even if you don't short, even if the market doesn't go, but this is a necessity. This is something that you should need in the future. Even if you take, for example, a sector or an industry that it is going down, and you short it and you leave it. Okay? So it just, the market is going down and this stock that you buy, which is an ETF, is going up. Okay? So a lot of you guys, some they are scared of shorting. This is not selling short. Selling short is what? Is when you borrow, is when you click sell. But here we are not clicking sell. We click buy. Because this ETF, if the stock market is going down, this ETF is going up. So it is just a stock. It is not selling short. Because we don't borrow, we buy those shares. Okay? So this is the difference between shorting the whole stock, the whole market with ETFs, and selling short, which are different. Now, for those who are interested to selling short, you can see training level 11. Okay, to give you details, because for me, when I'm explaining things, I try to explain specific points. Okay, because the training is there for you guys, and I know that you that some of you have it if you are interested. Okay, because this is because of the interest. Some people are interested to do something else than they do. You can just try. The only thing I am against is when you sell short penny stocks. Be careful. If you go to training 11, I will show it to you. Training 11. Yes, which is this one here. How to sell short a stock the easy way. Now, if you go to this number 11, It will give you details how to sell short, how to find stocks to sell, what are the risks. This is the most important thing that you should study, the risk, because selling short, you can have unlimited loss. What I say is unlimited. If you short a stock at $1 and tomorrow it goes to $10, even if you put $1,000, your broker will ask you for $9,000 more. So understand, don't play with selling short. If you want to do selling short in general, you do selling short if you want to try, take my training, and then find stocks, and then buy few shares and do day trading. This is what, especially when you are doing penny stocks, do day trading. At least if things go wrong, you just go and you click sell by market and you sell everything, like whatever shares you bought. But understand, penny stocks are dangerous. You should be having experience in shorting, and then you can short bigger money. But if you are beginner, don't do that. Now, for the other thing, shorting the whole market, it's different. You don't have what we call unlimited. No, you put stop loss. If it goes to stop loss, you exit. Okay, it's very easy. It's not a very difficult thing. Please, those who have the training, if you have more questions, please ask me questions or send me an example, a stock, and you tell me what you did or what you want to do, and we can discuss this with you guys. I am always here with you guys, and in order to help you understand everything in the whole market, not just day trading or swing trading or investing. I'm trying to help as much as I can, because last time when we are in the YouTube session, one guy told me that he has lost 90% of his money. How? By shorting the whole market. I told him, did you order my training? Is it after ordering my training or before? Oh, no, he told me I didn't order your training. Okay? So, because my training shows you the details about risk that you don't know. Some people, they go and they short a stock. They short the whole market with an ETF, but he doesn't know what is this ETF is doing. Some ETFs are very, very dangerous. Some ETFs, they double your money or they triple their money. Okay? Or they have a relation with futures or with the currency or with bonds or with options, and it is so dangerous for you guys. This guy, when he told me that he has lost 90% of his money, man, it's a lot of money. I say to him, why, man? Why you don't take my training? You spend $50 and you save 10,000 or 20,000 that you put in this, and you lost 90% of your money. He told me, yes, if I have taken your training, it could be way better because you will never lose that much. Even if you lose a little bit, which is okay, because understand that when you are wrong, you should pay something. It's like an insurance. Okay? This is the nature of the market. If someone tells you that there is a safe trading or investing and you will never lose, this guy is a big liar in the stock market. There is no. Even Warren Buffett in 2008, he lost half of his money. Berkshire Hathaway was around $90,000 a share. It goes to $85,000. Now he stays because he owns too much. He doesn't sell his company, even though the price has been going down, but the company is making money. So understand that the stock market and what the company is doing has no relation. A lot of people, they don't understand this, because Warren Buffett, he owns a lot. Sometimes he owns the whole company, like Geico. Okay, It is his company. It means whatever earning that he have, he can take all the money from the earnings each year. So it's not like us, you are taking what you call a dividend or so. He can take profits, not just dividend, but more, because he owns the company, or he owns 10% or 20% or 60%. Millions and millions of shares in a company. Okay, so just to let you know all this stuff. So be prepared. Next week, maybe the whole market collapse and it crosses the support line. Maybe we have a surprise and the market will be going up again. So we will never know. Okay, so let's decide on Monday or Tuesday, or it means next week. For me, I am sure if I find opportunity and next week the thing is going worse, I will be shorting the whole market, and I will choose an index and I will do this thing, and I will put stop loss. If things goes good and the market is going down, I will be making money. If the market goes back, so I will exit with a stop loss. That's it. Okay, so thank you very much and see you next video.